Hey guys, so today I wanted to try two new products from L'Oreal. The one I've seen a little bit on YouTube and the other one I haven't seen anything about. So the first product is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Looks like this. And we have the Unlimited Mascara, which also has up to 24 hours. So we're going to try these two today, see how they apply, see how they wear. So if you're curious to see how these work out for me, then just keep watching. So I went ahead and used my normal moisturizer, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer, and that's all I've done. So I'm going to pull my hair back. And as usual, I'm going to apply the foundation to half of my face with a beauty blender and half my face with a flat top kabuki brush. This is the Sonia Kashuk one. I have the shade 420. I had a few other ones, but I feel like this one will match me the best. Some were a little too pink, some were a little too orange. So it says breathable texture, sunscreen of 25. What else does it say? It says natural finish, wears up to 24 hours, medium coverage, and air light texture. Pro tip is shake well, blend into skin with fingers or applicator for flawless coverage. Okay, so it has like a little pump. Let's see what this color looks like for me. I think that'll work. Ooh, it's pretty runny. So we'll go in with the beauty blender first. Pretty good color. Okay, so this side has one layer of foundation using the beauty blender. I would say it's like a light to medium coverage foundation. It's a lot runnier than I expected. You can kind of see it just kind of runs right out of the pump, even when you're trying to pump it onto the back of your hand or onto a palette. I used about 2 pumps for half my face, so it's a very thin consistency. So far so good. Let's try the other side. Okay, I got much better coverage with the brush, and I only used 1 pump on this side, so I would say that it applies better with a brush. But let me look close up and see if it looks cakey or heavy on either side. I mean, I feel like the added moisture from the beauty blender did kind of shear it out a bit on this side, so it doesn't look as thick. On this side, it definitely does look a bit thicker, and I can see kind of like brush strokes right along here. So I would have to go in with a beauty blender to smooth it out anyway. So let me do that, and then I'll show you a close-up of what my skin looks like with 1 layer. Okay, so I think it's a really good color match for me. The lights might make it look a little bit brighter and whiter than it is because most of the light is concentrated up here. You can see like my hand gets brighter and brighter the closer I get. So from back here, I think it's a pretty good match. In real life, it looks like a pretty good match. So let me show you the close-up of what my skin looks like before I do anything else to it. I think it looks natural. It's transferring a bit, so it definitely needs to be set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop off, do concealer, powder, all of that jazz, and then I'll come back to show you what it looks like once my makeup is all done. So I'll be right back. Okay, so most of my face is done. I just haven't done the highlight yet because there's a new highlight that I'm dying to try, and that will be a second video today. As mentioned, we're trying to pack up, clean out the house, get ready to move. I'm trying to fit in some videos where I can, so hope you guys don't mind that. So I'm ready to try this new mascara from L'Oreal. I'm intrigued. It says, oh, on the side it says, use straight to stretch and lengthen lashes. Use bent to lift lashes from the root to the tip. So it looks like it has a bendable wand. Interesting. It says our first lash lifting mascara for unlimited length and unlimited height. 2-position wand, straight or bent, to customize your lash look. Innovative brush, tapered shape for a panoramic effect, up to 24-hour stretchable formula. If this is anything like the IT Cosmetics like Super Stretch Mascara, I'm going to love it. It says does not smudge, removes easily with eye makeup remover, suitable for sensitive eyes, contact lens wearers, etc. So let's try it out. Interesting. Looks like a perfume bottle of sorts. You guys see this? Different. Okay. Now it looks like an ink quill. Alright, so I've removed the little plastic cap from it, and now it bends. So I guess you put this back if you want it to be straight. Huh. Interesting. Alright, let's see how this works. Ooh, it's very wet. This is what the wand looks like. Alright, so let me grab a mirror and we will try this. Alright, here goes nothing. Use straight to stretch and lengthen. Use bent to lift lashes from root to tip. So maybe you're supposed to do it bent first, so we'll try that. Okay, it's bent. I'm not exactly sure how this changes the application, but we'll find out. Oh, well, that is one coat with the bent wand. I'm going to straighten this out and see if I can get further stretching of my lashes. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Let's try the bottom lash. Okay, so far so good, and that's only one layer. So here is one coat, top and bottom. I did do bent first and then straight. So far so good. I'm going to try a second layer, see what happens, if it gets gunky, if it gets chunky. It turns into spider lashes, we'll see. So I've already kind of lifted them, so I'm just going to go in with the flat, straight wand. Okay, I'm going to say I'm impressed by this mascara. It's ridiculously black. It does lift and curl. It does seem to kind of stretch the lashes. My lashes look a little bit longer. They look full. I mean, the picture can speak for itself. Here you go, guys. So 2 layers, 2 coats, whatever you want to call it, and nothing. Pretty impressive. So let me finish up and I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, so I am blown away by this mascara. I think that it's really amazing. L'Oreal is knocking it out of the park with mascaras. We have got the Lash Paradise, the Voluminous Carbon Black, and now the Unlimited Mascara. Really, really good job. So this is what the foundation looks like with all the makeup on top of it. I didn't do highlight as mentioned, so this is bronzer powder. I think that it looks really nice. It doesn't look cakey or heavy. It's not collecting in any place strange. My face looks smooth. So far, so good. 8 thumbs up for both products. So I will try to either do a check-in later on today, or I will leave you an update in the description box below, because sometimes I forget to do that, especially when we have contractors coming and going, the kids coming in and out of the house from the school bus. Things are always going on at this house, realtor meetings, house showings, you name it, we've got it going on. Hope you guys found this video helpful trying on the new foundation from L'Oreal as well as their newest mascara. So far, I'm a big fan of both of these. If anything changes, I will let you know in the description box below. Hey guys, so I forgot to do a check-in yesterday, but I'm wearing the same foundation and the same mascara today, and I have the worst head cold today, so I have probably sneezed easily 30 times already today, and it's only noon. I couldn't sleep this morning because I felt so crummy, so I've been up since 7. The makeup's been on for 5 hours already. So aside from the nose area, this is what the foundation looks like after 7 hours. This is what the mascara looks like after 30-some sneezes. So I am impressed with it. I don't like the La Mer powder on top of it. I just haven't been a fan of the La Mer powder ever since I got it, and I don't know if it's just me or if I'm using it wrong. Let me know down below if there's a specific way to use the La Mer loose powder to make it look flawless. It just looks dry and powdery on me for some reason. But anyway, I am a fan of the foundation. It wore really well all day yesterday. The mascara wore really well yesterday as well. It was a little difficult to take off, but with some warm water, it did come off pretty easily, just not as easily as some of my other mascaras. So far, I'm a fan of both L'Oreal products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.